Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, Chief. Ever wonder how to craft a winning Clash of Clans base for 2025? The game's constantly changing, with new updates, troops, and hero abilities keeping us on our toes. A strong base isn't just about looking cool. It's your frontline defense for trophies, resources, and crucial war wins. We'll dive into how to build a base that truly stands strong against the latest attacks, ensuring your village is always prepared. Let's start with the absolute essentials. Your town hall should always be your top priority, ideally positioned centrally and well guarded. Next, focus on distributing your heavy-hitting defenses, like the Eagle Artillery and Inferno Towers, so they cover a wide area without being easily overwhelmed. A truly effective base also centralizes its clan castle, making it super tough for attackers to lure out your defensive troops, keeping them safe until they are really needed. Now, let's talk about directing the flow of battle. Implementing multiple layers of walls is critical. They act like speed bumps, giving your defenses more time to whittle down the enemy. You'll also want to design clever funnels, essentially little pathways that guide enemy troops right into your deadliest traps and concentrated defensive fire. Understanding how troops path and where they prefer to go will give you a massive advantage in creating an impenetrable fortress. Traps are your secret weapons, often the difference between a 3-star attack and a 1-star defense. Think about placing spring traps and regular bombs in clever, unexpected spots where ground troops will naturally funnel or group up. For air attacks, strategically place your air defenses to provide excellent coverage over critical areas. Don't forget those seeking air mines and air bombs. They are perfect for surprising powerful air units near your most valuable buildings, like the town hall. Building a great base isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. You absolutely must test your designs regularly using friendly challenges, inviting clanmates to attack and expose any weaknesses. Pay close attention to your war replays and attack logs. They are incredibly valuable for understanding how others are trying to break through. The meta is always shifting in Clash of Clans, so be ready to adapt and refine your base with every new update to stay ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.